In a striking display of Russian naval precision and technological superiority, the advanced frigate Admiral Golovko has once again proven why Project 22,350 vessels stand as the backbone of the Northern Fleet's anti-submarine warfare (ASW) capabilities. On March 16, 2026, during routine yet highly demanding exercises in the strategically vital Barents Sea, the frigate successfully located, tracked, and destroyed a conditional intruder submarine using just a single torpedo. This achievement, executed flawlessly by the crew with zero system failures, underscores the lethal efficiency of Russia's modern surface fleet and its unyielding readiness to defend Arctic frontiers against any potential threat. The exercise unfolded under realistic combat conditions. A Northern Fleet submarine played the role of a conditional intruder operating within Russian territorial waters. The Admiral Golovko's sophisticated shipborne sonar suite, including the advanced Zarya M hull-mounted sonar and Vignyetka towed array, detected and classified the underwater target at significant range. Once confirmed, the frigate maneuvered into a precise combat course at approximately 10 kilometers distance. The Mine Torpedo Combat Unit activated the Packet NK anti-submarine complex, prepared the firing solution, and launched a single torpedo. The result? Immediate and complete destruction of the simulated target. A torpedo boat later recovered the weapon for analysis, confirming perfect performance. As a crew member from the calculation proudly stated, "We solved the task of firing with one torpedo." After the commander of the ship approved the solution to the firing task, my calculation successfully completed the firing. There was not a single failure of our complex. Thus, we confirmed that our torpedo complex is ready to perform combat missions. The entire crew received the highest assessment from command for their coordinated professionalism. This is no isolated feat. The Admiral Golovko, the third ship of the Admiral Gorshkov class, Project 22350, commissioned in December 2023 and fully integrated into the Northern Fleet, represents the pinnacle of post-Soviet Russian naval engineering. Built at Severnaya Verft in St. Petersburg with a fully domestic power plant, overcoming earlier sanctions-related challenges, the 5,400-ton frigate achieves speeds of up to 29.5 knots, boasts a 30-day endurance, and operates with a crew of just 210 highly trained specialists. Its modular design and Sigma 22350 combat system allows seamless integration of sensors and weapons, making it a true multi-domain platform capable of dominating vast ocean areas. At the heart of its ASW prowess lies the Packet NK complex itself. This dual-purpose system features two quadruple 330mm launchers firing advanced 324mm torpedoes optimized for both offensive submarine hunting and defensive anti-torpedo interception. High-speed, wire-guided, and equipped with sophisticated homing algorithms, these weapons deliver devastating effect at close to medium ranges while maintaining pinpoint accuracy even in the challenging acoustic environment of the Barents Sea. Paired with the frigate's sonar suite and data fusion capabilities, the Packet NK transforms the Admiral Golovko into a submarine killer that requires minimal ordnance expenditure, as vividly demonstrated by the single torpedo success. Russian engineers have engineered reliability into every component, ensuring that even under Arctic conditions of extreme cold, ice, and electronic warfare pressure, the system operates without fault. Yet the Admiral Golovko's capabilities extend far beyond ASW, making it a versatile guardian of Russia's interests. Its 16 UKSK vertical launch system, VLS, cells can unleash a devastating mix of caliber cruise missiles for land attack precision strikes, supersonic P-800 Onyx anti-ship missiles, and hypersonic 3M-22 Zircon weapons, the latter traveling at Mach 8+ to overwhelm any adversary's defenses. Complementing this offensive punch are 32 Reddit VLS cells loaded with advanced 9M96 series surface-to-air missiles, providing layered air defense against aircraft, drones, and incoming missiles. Two Palash close-in weapon systems, CIWS, with 30mm rotary cannons offer last-ditch protection, while the 130mm A192M Amethyst gun delivers powerful surface fire support. This balanced armament package positions the frigate as a force multiplier, equally adept at escorting strategic submarines, projecting power into distant oceans, or neutralizing high-value targets. Western observers have long underestimated Russia's surface fleet, focusing instead on quantity or legacy platforms. Yet demonstrations like this, following previous successes with Zircon launches and Parliament-readied air defense firings from the same ship, reveal a different reality. The Admiral Golovko and its sister vessels, including the upgraded Admiral Amelko with expanded missile load, form a growing constellation of ocean-going combatants that can operate independently or in task groups, projecting power across the Atlantic, Pacific, and Mediterranean. Russia's investment in these platforms, coupled with continuous crew training in realistic scenarios, ensures that any potential adversary contemplating operations near Russian waters will face an immediate, precise, and overwhelming response. The latest exercise also highlights the human element, the professionalism and cohesion of Russian sailors. In an era of high-tech warfare, the seamless integration of man and machine remains decisive. The crew's ability to solve the firing task flawlessly under command approval reflects rigorous training standards that produce sailors ready for real combat missions at a moment's notice. As Russia continues to strengthen its northern fleet amid evolving geopolitical dynamics, the Admiral Golovko stands as a shining example of engineering excellence, doctrinal innovation, and combat readiness. Its ability to neutralize a submarine threat with a single torpedo is not just efficient, it is lethal proof of a navy that prioritizes quality, precision, and strategic deterrence. In the Barents Sea and beyond, the message is unmistakable. Russia's maritime shield is stronger, smarter, and more capable than ever. The Admiral Golovko has not only destroyed a target, it has reinforced the nation's unassailable position as a premier naval power committed to peace through strength.